Starting a dropshipping business is not that difficult, okay? And I can tell you firsthand, you can literally get started within 24 hours. Now, I can completely understand how a beginner coming into the online space for the first time has no clue where to begin. So in this video, I want to give you a super simple, dummied down guide on how to get started with a dropshipping business in less than 24 hours and with less than $100 to spend. I'm going to be going over product research, suppliers, website design, and so much more. So if you're excited for the video, I would greatly appreciate it if you can go ahead and drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more dropshipping content. If you're somebody out there that's looking for a like-minded community full of other individuals on their dropshipping journey and you want somewhere where you can network with others and just learn for free, feel free to go down to the description and sign up for my free Discord server. And without further ado, I don't want to waste up any more of your time. Let's get right into it. So the first thing that you need to do when you start your dropshipping business is product research. We need to find a product to sell, and this product needs to fit the criteria of something that solves a problem, something that has a wow factor, and also something that isn't easily found in stores. So my favorite way to do this is through a platform called AutoDS. Now you can check out AutoDS. It's completely 100% free for 30 days. You can check it out with the link in the description. So once I come onto the AutoDS platform, I like to go to their TikTok Spy feature. Now their TikTok Spy feature allows you to be able to see all types of trending advertisements in the market for TikTok ads. So once you get to the screen, I like to keep it pretty open. It kind of just depends. So what I'll do is for the call to action text, I'll go to shop now. And then for impressions, I'll do more than 20,000. And then for the source, I'll do advertising. Then I'll go ahead and sort this by total likes. So what I'll do now is I'll just scroll for about 10 to 20 minutes and look for a product that fits my product research criteria. So literally within a few minutes, I found this product right here, which is the Beach Waver. This is just a curling iron. I know about this product because my wife just bought one on TikTok Shop. So I know that we could find something just like this on AutoDS, that we can sell. So if we wanted to sell this product, we can click on the Shop Now button and it gives us a bunch of useful information here. So you can check out the impressions, shares, the comments, and this is how you're gonna know and validate if the product is actually a winner or not. And then these two buttons down here on the bottom, you can check out their website by clicking on Shop Now, and then you can click on See Original Post and it'll take you to the original TikTok. So now that we have our product, the next thing that we need to do is we need to be able to source that product. We need a supplier. So my favorite supplier is a company called AutoDS. And let me show you really quickly how easy they make the sourcing process. Okay, so I already went ahead and found our product on AliExpress. And as you can see, this is the product right here, which is the curling hair iron. Okay, so all we have to do is just copy the website URL, come over to the AutoDS platform. You're gonna click on Add Products, Single Product, and then you're gonna paste that link in here. Make sure AliExpress is selected, and then you're gonna click on Publish to Store. So once you did that, now you're gonna head over to the Products tab, and you're gonna see your product right here. All you have to do is just click on the three dots, go to Sourcing Request, and then click on Process Sourcing Request. So moving on, next step that we have to take is we have to create our Shopify store. Our Shopify store is where our website is going to be hosted, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go down to the description. I have a spot where it says get Shopify for $1. You're gonna click on that link and it's gonna bring up this screen right here, okay? And this is gonna give you Shopify for $1 a month. Usually it costs you about $39 a month, I believe. So all you need to do is just type in your email address, start free trial, and you're ready to go. Now, I'm just assuming that you guys already have a Shopify store, but I want to go ahead and make sure that I at least put this in the video. So if you don't have a Shopify store already, you should have already created one. So what you're going to want to do is go down to the link in the description. I have a spot that says get Shopify for $1. You'll click on it and this will come up. And all you'll need to do is just enter your email address and then click on Start Free Trial. And you'll have Shopify for only $1 a month instead of $39 a month. So the next thing that we have to do to start our dropshipping business is that we need to create a logo. Our logo is our identity for our brand. It's how people are going to recognize us. It's extremely important. Now, I know I told you guys that I wasn't going to do the entire website design process with you guys, but I still want to show you guys how to create a logo because it's extremely important. And I don't think I've done that before. So I use a free tool called Canva, 100% free. Make sure you come to the website, canva.com. And then what you're going to want to do is type in a logo, okay? And then you can click on this right here. It's 500 by 500 pixels. And then there's a ton of different templates that you can go ahead and choose from, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna click on create a blank logo, and then you'll be greeted with this screen right here. So if you want a logo template like one of these, so that way it's super easy for you, all you have to do is just come to the search bar and type in something related to your product. So since we chose a beauty product, I'll just do something like hair, we'll do like hair salon since it's a hair product, okay? And I'm sure we'll get some type of good template. So I'm just gonna choose one. It really doesn't matter, okay? This is just for example purposes. So let's just click on this one right here, which says beauty hair. Let's just say we like this, right? Now what we can do is just come here, click on this, and just replace it with our brand name. So brand name, okay? And now we can literally just export this and we're ready to go. It's really that simple. You really don't even need to overthink this at all. Like, you shouldn't be spending more than 5 minutes on these logos. And I wanna make sure that I make that apparent to you guys because I know how people are. They wanna just make everything perfect, but it'll never be perfect. So let me just give you a quick example of what I do. I don't even use the templates, okay? So I just go to a blank canvas, I make it completely white, and then I just pick normal text, okay? Normal, simple text. Like, you can literally go through and choose whatever text you want, but I like to keep it as simple as possible. So let's just say, you know, we'll just stick with it again, beauty brand. So let's just say that that was the name of our company, okay? So I would take this, and typically what I like to do is I like to bold it. So I'll bold it, and then I'll also italicize it. I think it just makes it a little bit more like sophisticated. I don't even know, like, I think it just looks better. And then I'll just roll with simply just something like this. Or if I want to make it a little bit better, what I'll do is I'll just take beauty brand, leave it how it is, and then I'll come over to the elements section, and then I'll type in something, you know, beauty related. So I'll do hair salon again, and I will go to the graphics. Now the graphics you can pull, and you can take something like, I don't know, same thing like we just had on the template. And now I can move this and make this however I want. So I can bring this to the left side, make this a little bit smaller, and then put it right next to the photo, and bam, now I have a logo, okay? So again, I wouldn't do this, you know, take this again and, you know, formulate your own logo. But again, it's really this simple. You do not have to complicate this step. So now that we have our logo created, we need to make sure that we have our domain for our website. This is one of the few things that you're gonna have to purchase. Now, a domain will typically cost you around $10 to $15. It kind of just depends. I recommend that you do a .com or a .shop, but it's extremely important that you lock this in because this is how, you know, visitors are gonna be able to come to your site, okay? So let's just go again with the same thing, beauty brand. I'll even type in the beauty brand so that way I can know, or so that way I can at least get you know, everything available for me because I just put the word "the" in front of it. So all I have to do is just type it in, click search domains, and then as you can see, here are all the domains that are available for that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and type in .shop and see if that's available. And the .shop is not available, okay? So they give you alternatives. You can do the beauty brand .store. .store is okay. I don't mind .store. A lot of people use .store as well. But again, I would stick with either .com, .shop, or if anything, .store. So once you go ahead and purchase it, what you're gonna wanna do is come over to your Shopify store. Once again, you're gonna come down to the settings, and then you're gonna go to domains, and then you're gonna click on connect existing domain. You're gonna type in the name of your domain here. You're gonna type in the name of your domain here and then go through the entire process, and it should be able to automatically do it for you. So the next thing that you need to do is you need to purchase your product on Amazon, okay? Because we're gonna be doing the organic TikTok dropshipping method. So basically what that is that you're gonna be making a bunch of videos with your product, and you're gonna be uploading them on free marketing channels like TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat Spotlight. You're literally gonna be uploading videos everywhere. So you need the product in hand. So what we're gonna do is we're going to type in the name of our product here, which is the rotating curling iron. We're gonna click enter, and then we're gonna purchase our product. And we need to make sure that our product gets to us within 1 to 2 days. You wanna do this, you know, via Amazon Prime. So here's the beach waver, which is the product of the original one that I showed you guys. But this is, you know, something similar, which is right here. So right here, as you can see, this product costs $38.99. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy this product, ship it to my house, and I'm gonna wait so that way I can create content. So your product's ordered, you have it at your house. Now what do? Now it's time for you to be able to create some content for your product so that way you can start getting some visitors to your website. Okay, so what you're gonna wanna do is type in the name of your product into TikTok. So I typed in rotating curling iron, and as you can see, there are a ton, and I mean a ton, of different videos of this product. So what I would do is I would sort this by products that have the most views and likes, okay? So that we can get the top content. So let's just say, for example, we look at this product right here, this video right here, which has 92,000 views and literally they're just showcasing the product, showing exactly what it does. And what I would do is I would just look at this, and if I feel like I could recreate this, that's exactly what I would do. So this video got 1,400 likes, 14 comments, 200 saves, and has over 96,000 views. So this is a potential video that I would recreate for myself and post on all of my social channels. So again, here's another video right here, 960,000 views. So I would click on this video and I would watch it, see exactly what it's about, and I would make the exact same thing. It's really not that difficult. You don't want to, go about this trying to create new waves, create new things. What you need to do is find something that's working, recreate it yourself, and make it better. You can also come over to the accounts tab and find other businesses that are selling this exact same product, and that way you can get some more inspiration. So here's the original beach waiver product, which is how we got the inspiration for this product. We can come over to their TikTok, which has 1.2 million followers, and scroll through their content, and we can still get inspiration and take some of these ideas and implement them for our brand as well. Now, what I would do is I'd find about 10 to 20 different ideas, put them all into a spreadsheet, and then I would recreate them. Now, quick tip for you, since I am a content creator, I can tell you that lighting is extremely important. So make sure that you're recording either during the day next to a window, or that you invest into a lighting setup, okay? And a tripod would help as well, so that way you can actually record these without needing anybody else's help. So instead of just telling you, let me just show you. So this is my setup right here. Excuse the Pooh Bear and the pink background. Now that I just had a daughter, she overtook my room/office. So until we get our house, this is what I got to work with. I got to have all the girls stuff around. So anyways, these are the lights that I use. I got these off of Amazon. They both have these little attachments here so you can put your phone. So I'll typically use that if I'm recording any type of content with products. And then I use this Canon EOS, which is how I record my YouTube videos, but it's a little bit more high quality, so that way I can get some desk shots if I need to. So my typical organic strategy is taking the videos that I created and posting at least 2 to 3 times a day on each and every single platform. Now, I know that this is a lot of work, and a lot of people don't want to do this, which is why I recommend doing ads. But if you don't have money to run advertisements, then you're going to have to put in some groundwork, and you're going to have to actually make these videos. So you're going to take the videos that you created in the previous step, and you're going to put them onto YouTube Shorts. You're going to put them onto Instagram, but Instagram Reels, TikTok, Snapchat Spotlight, and Pinterest as well. So the final thing that I want to show you guys in this video is an example store that you can take some inspiration from, okay? And this is a store that I show in a lot of my videos. I do have a bunch of tutorials, like I said before, on my YouTube channel. So if you want some more in-depth, step-by-step guides, definitely go check those out. But this is a quick way for you to be able to get some, more inspiration from another store. So this website is called Bleem. It's just bleem.com. And this store is done. It's great, okay? They do a great job at, taking a drop shipping product and really making it feel like a legit brand, okay? They have a bunch of high quality images. They have a great offer. They have testimonials of, showcasing other people, using the product and getting a quality shave. They have like a chart comparing themselves to their competitors, which I really love, which is super underrated. And then they end it with a ton of reviews of other people being satisfied with the product. Now, this is exactly how you should be modeling your store. So if you want to just a quick website for you to be able to go to get some more inspiration, definitely check out this site. So that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy and that you took some value from it. If you did, make sure you go ahead and drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. And if you're somebody out there that's still struggling with your dropshipping business and you need myself and my team to literally hold your hand through the entire process and help you get the results that you deserve, make sure you go down to the description and fill out the application for my one-on-one coaching program. Now, we don't accept everyone. We make sure that you're extremely qualified and that you're a go-getter. We need somebody that's actually willing to put in the work. So if you feel like that's you and you want to join the coaching program, be sure again to go down to the description, fill out the application, and let's see if we're a good fit to work together. Anyways, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you guys next time.